Disclaimer: this report is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. The writer is not a SEBI registered advisor and holds no responsibility for any investment decisions or losses. Welcome to the presentation on Gopal Snacks Limited. Founded in 1999, Gopal Snacks is an FMCG company specializing in ethnic and Western snacks, along with a variety of other products. Their diverse range of offerings caters to a wide array of taste preferences. Gopal Snacks Limited is a leading manufacturer in the fast-moving consumer goods sector, focusing on traditional Indian snacks and packaged food products. Headquartered in Rajkot, the company has a strong presence across 12 states and 3 union territories. Gopal Snacks offers a diverse range of 95 products across 346 SKUs, catering to different consumer preferences in the snack food segment. They are the largest manufacturer of traditional Gujarati snacks and hold significant positions in various snack categories. In FY23, Gopal Snacks held a 20% market share in ethnic savories, 8% in Western snacks, and 6% in the papad industry within Gujarat. Their market presence spans both organized and unorganized sectors, with a focus on rapid expansion in key markets. The company operates 3 primary manufacturing facilities in Rajkot, Modasa, and Nagpur, producing a wide range of snack products. With a total installed capacity of 410,154 MTPA, they also manage additional facilities for raw material processing and ingredient production. During December, the company resumed operations at the Rajkot facility, significantly impacting revenue. They have implemented measures to mitigate operational disruptions and manage costs effectively, while also maintaining a stable shareholding pattern. Gopal Snacks boasts a strong distribution and logistics network with 828 distributors across 12 states and 3 union territories. They utilize an advanced distribution management system for real-time tracking and analytics to optimize operations. The revenue breakdown shows a significant contribution from products priced at 5 rupees, with segment-wise revenue led by Gatia and Namkeen. Geographically, core markets contribute the majority of the revenue, highlighting the company's strategic market focus. The management remains optimistic about recovery, focusing on enhancing market leadership and profitability despite challenges. For further information, look references in detail. Remember, this is not financial advice, and you should conduct your own analysis before making any investment decisions.